Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My good name is Boniface or Magical Deals. Having installed the tool, the config tool, this is the config tool. Having installed it, I'll go straight away to my to opening the config tool. Then after opening the config tool, we'll start off the video. So guys, I'll start by opening the config tool. So then I'll press no. Don't mind what is written there, and then I'll go straight. Once I open that, once it opens, just give it time. It's my laptop has a RAM of 4, so somehow it might take some time. So so guys, it has just opened. Now we are starting off. Yeah, so we are good to go. So I've opened the config tool. The systems are already connected. The whole system is already connected. Then we're going to this place. We start with network and internet settings. Then from the network and internet settings, here we'll go to Ethernet. You can see where Ethernet is. Don't mind my visibility, guys. I'm indoors today. Then it will go to change adapter options. Click on it. Then from there you go to Ethernet. Mine is saying Ethernet 2, it can be Ethernet. Then from Ethernet, we're going to go to properties. Then from properties, we go to Internet Protocol version. Then after that, you click on use the following IP address. Then you will issue, we will issue the IP address for this. So let's say 192.168 dot one dot one. Sorry for that. I'll have to repeat it. Something has come up. I think I pressed the wrong key. Let me just finish now. .1.1. I can even say one. I like that. You can even say 100, depending on whichever way. Then subnet is always constant. It comes as 255.255.0. Then you press OK. After doing that, you'll come back to this. You'll have already set up your PC to start before you start configuring, so that there's no conflicting IPs. Yeah, so we go back to our config tool. Now we are on the config tool. On the config tool, we are going to search. Now we are going to rewind until we get the 2 cameras. Yeah, let's say don't prompt again, and then we are going to rewind until we see if they are there. So guys, I'm going to initialize this camera. I'll select the camera, then press initialize, then go to initialize here. Then from here I'll set the password. Let me just hide a little bit so that you guys don't get it. Yeah, so I will hide the done. So you come to next here. So I don't want to use my email in this case, so I'll remove it. And also in this case, I don't want to check my emails on clouds or get notification, because I will not be using my phone. It will be on the TV. So I'll also remove this because I don't need it. Then click OK. Then that shows that the camera, the initialization is done. The camera has been activated. Then you press finish. After finishing, it will indicate here it's initialized, but that's not the end. So you'll come to the batch. It will give you this. Then you click OK. Then after that, go to the, because it's still indicating 108, we'll give it the initial password that we had to open. Then we will click here, then give it a new password. That's the initial password that we have just set before. So let me put the new password. Done. So after it's done, you click OK here. Yeah, and then you come to the batch to confirm. Oh, first I'll have to select, sorry, I'll have to select here, then press on the batch, check. After checking, you click OK. It will show that it's now initialized. So that shows that the camera is now well initialized. You are aware of the password. So once that is done, you come here, you check time. Where's my cursor? Here. So you come here and check time on the system. So go to timing, then sync. So I'll have to select the camera itself first, then because the time is up to date, sorry guys, sorry for that. So it's 13:51. So I've just, then after that you save, yeah, for the camera to be up to date. After that, you go to device configuration, then you reconsider checking you can see that. Very good. So that, go to search settings. We go to so we go to image, then your camera will be able to be seen. So that confirms that the IP for the camera is working, the cameras are good, and then we'll call that a day. So this is the setting. I've just used one camera for demonstration. I can still do both by again resetting or maybe moving the camera to the factory setting. I do both. Yeah, so that's how the camera works. So all this is all about showing you. So once you have installed and the camera is in good condition, you'll see the camera blinking here. So you're saying the device is offline, but it was just me moving it. Say no, so it's there, it's still there. So if you want to know it's still there, you just wave on it, so it shows that it's still there. So what I'll do, I wanted to show you. You see that blinking? It's uniform, and it's also uniform to this one. You see? Let me remove this so that you can be able to see. So you see that that act link, that orange or yellow thing. You know, men are colorblind. They are very uniform. Yeah. And when you look at that and look at this, all of them are uniform. So this is a link, and these ones are a link, and the camera itself are on the same line. So that shows that the camera is well configured. Yeah. Yeah. So that is what I wanted to show you. And you can check time. It is it's actually 14. What time is it? Let's check, guys. It's 2026. Yeah, and then I'm going to confirm time. Let me go back to setting because I don't want to leave it to if it's that way. When it's that the PC time, that's what we are going to use. And then you save that. Yeah. So that is the order of the day. You can see the camera by yourself. It's showing that is well configured. Yeah, I can still as well repeat for another second time so that you guys can understand. So the camera is well configured, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't, and thank you for not skipping ads. If you have not subscribed and you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you so much, guys. See you again, and see you again in the next coming videos. Thank you so much.